welcome to the Madame Sophy channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty, and wellness channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing, low-key, glamorous eyeshadow look using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This palette is under $15 and I believe you could get this at your local drugstore, Ulta Beauty, and I think it's also carried at Target or TJ Maxx. I'm starting off with a nice orange base for this look. I'm looking for something that is neutral with a little bit of orange, a little bit of red, a little bit of peach in there. So I'm just creating a really nice base. And as you guys could probably figure out, I did go on and added some concealer on my eyelid to create a really good canvas for myself. As you could see, I'm going in with a dabbing motion with my brush just to ensure that I get a good pigment and I build that pigment to the color I would like it to be. Now this palette is no stranger to my channel. I've done a look before using this eyeshadow palette and it's definitely a good bargain. I am going to go on my upper eyelid area closer to my brow bone and I'm going to add in a nice neutral brown tone or brown shade at the top of that orange that I previously applied to my eyelid. Since I'm going for something that is neutral and natural looking, I did not want to go in to create an actual cut crease with the concealer. So I'm just creating the illusion of a cut crease and I'm applying that pearl peachy color more towards the inner corner to the mid part of my eyelid area. As you guys see, I started off in the central part of my eyelid, then moved into my tear duct area, and then I am going to, last but not least, extend that as far as I would like it to. On top of that peach pearly color, I am going to go in with a more champagne shade. I will describe the shade to be more on the champagne side, and I'm just going to go over that peach shimmer color. And I'm going to go over, I'm going to apply that shade just above that shimmer shade that's more towards the mid to inner corner part of my eyelid. Since some of it got lost while I was applying that mauve shade, I'm going to go in and kind of blend in that color. Now I am applying my favorite eyeliner in the whole wide world. This is the Super Last Matte Finishing eyeliner from the Essence brand. I'm not going to do that much of an extension with my eyeliner because I am going to go over it with some glitter or shimmer. I'm going to go over that with a shimmer shade. So I am not going to extend that eyeliner too much. I am using my liner brush, my angled liner brush, and I'm going to top up that black eyeliner with a shimmer liquid eyeliner. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick and easy eyeshadow look. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. That's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to be fabulous, amazing, Sophie, and don't forget to be you. Bye.